Stop. Before you scroll past this video, I want you to do something real quick. Open your investment account right now. Look at that number and ask yourself honestly, does it feel like it's growing fast enough to actually change your life? For most people, the answer is no. And here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. It's not because you're not saving enough. It's not because the market is rigged against you. It's not because you started too late or don't earn enough. It's because you don't know about 3 specific net worth milestones, 3 exact numbers where your money stops crawling and starts sprinting, where compound interest stops being a textbook concept and starts depositing more money into your account every single year than some people earn at their actual jobs. I'm talking about the moment your investments generate $28,000 a year passively, then $52,000, then $70,000, without you working a single extra hour. These aren't random numbers. These are mathematically proven tipping points where wealth building shifts so dramatically that people who understand them retire early, quit jobs they hate, and build financial security that lasts generations, while everyone else keeps grinding and wondering why they never seem to get ahead. My name is Ben, and today I'm going to show you exactly where these 3 milestones are, what happens at each one, and why reaching the first one, which is closer than you think, is the hardest thing you will ever do financially. Everything after that, the math starts working so hard in your favor it almost feels unfair. If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right but still not getting anywhere, this video was made specifically for you. Don't skip ahead, don't fast forward, because the number that will change your financial life might be the one I mention in the next 60 seconds. Let's get into it. Before we talk about the 3 tipping points, I need to destroy one myth that is silently costing millions of people their financial future. And that myth is this: wealth grows in a straight line. Most people imagine it like a ladder. Save 10,000, you're 10,000 closer. Save 50,000, you're 50,000 closer. Makes sense, right? Except it's completely wrong. And this misunderstanding is exactly why so many people quit right before the magic starts. Money doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball rolling down a mountain. Slow at the top, almost painfully slow. You're pushing it, you're sweating, and the snowball is barely getting bigger. But at a certain point, gravity takes over completely. The snowball starts rolling on its own, then faster, and then you cannot stop it even if you tried. The 3 milestones I'm about to walk you through are the points on that mountain where the slope dramatically increases. And once you see the math, you'll understand why the first $100,000 is not 10% of the way to $1 million. It is the hardest, most brutal stretch of the entire journey. And everything after gets progressively, almost unfairly easier. Here's the scenario we're working with. You invest $500 every month into a diversified index fund, averaging 7% annual returns. Conservative, boring, proven. Let's watch what happens. It takes approximately 7 years and 9 months of consistent $500 monthly contributions to reach your first $100,000. Now, I know that sounds slow, but look at what that $100,000 actually contains. Of that balance, you personally contributed about $46,000. The remaining $54,000, more than half your entire account, was generated purely by compound interest. Your money made more than half of itself without you touching it. But here's where most people make a fatal mistake. They look at those numbers, they feel like the process is too slow, and they stop. They redirect that $500 into a car payment. They tell themselves they'll restart later, and later never comes. What they don't realize is that they just survived the hardest part of the entire journey. The boulder is at the top of the hill, and now gravity is about to take over completely. Because here's what happens next. You've just hit $100,000. How long does it take to reach $200,000 with those same contributions? Answer: 5 years, not 8, 5. It took nearly 8 years to build your first $100,000, but only 5 more years to add the exact same amount again. That's not a coincidence. That's compound interest waking up. That's the snowball hitting the slope. By year 13,
You have $200,000, and more than 60% of it came from growth, not from your own savings. The hard work is behind you. Everything from here accelerates.
By year 18, you've crossed $400,000. And here is the number that should genuinely stop you cold. Your total lifetime contributions at this point are roughly $108,000, but your account shows $400,000. 3/4 of your entire net worth was built by compound growth, not by you. And here's what that means in practical terms. At $400,000 earning 7%, you are now generating approximately $28,000 per year in passive investment returns. That's more than a full-time minimum wage income in many states, produced entirely by mathematics and patience. This is the moment wealth stops feeling like a theory. You're not just building a number, you're building a machine that runs while you sleep. Here's a number most people know but never connect to investing. The median household income in the United States is approximately $78,000 per year. That's what the average American family earns by trading their time, their health, and their freedom to an employer every single day. Now here's the connection that changes everything. With $650,000 invested at an 8% annual return, your portfolio generates $52,000 per year in passive income, without working, without a boss, without a commute. But the reason this milestone is a true tipping point isn't just about the income number. It's about what changes psychologically when you realize your portfolio is covering a significant chunk of your living expenses on its own. Losing your job becomes an inconvenience, not a catastrophe. A medical emergency doesn't mean financial ruin. You have real options, options that simply don't exist for someone living paycheck to paycheck. You can start the business you've been afraid to start. You can take the career risk that could triple your income. You can travel while you're still young enough to actually enjoy it. This is the tipping point where wealth stops being about security and starts being about freedom. And once you taste that, there's no going back. And then comes the milestone everyone talks about, but almost nobody truly understands. Following this same scenario, you cross $1 million around year 29. And when it happens, something shifts, not just in your account, but in your brain. You'll feel an overwhelming sense of validation because you've proven something that most people spend their entire lives doubting, that ordinary income invested consistently with patience and discipline produces extraordinary results. No inheritance, no insider information, no lucky bet, just math and time. At $1 million, you're generating $40,000 to $70,000 per year in passive income, depending on your strategy. Combine that with an average Social Security benefit of around $1,900 a month, and you're looking at a genuinely comfortable retirement income without ever touching the principal. But here's what separates millionaires from multimillionaires. Some people hit 7 figures and coast. Big mistake, because from this point forward, the math becomes almost comically favorable. From $1 million to $2 million, your portfolio only needs to double, which historically happens every 7 to 10 years. From $2 million to $3 million, just a 50% increase. Each additional million requires a smaller and smaller percentage gain. The compounding snowball at this stage isn't just rolling, it's an avalanche. So here's where we land. 3 tipping points, 3 moments where the mathematics of compound interest shift so dramatically that everything changes. $100,000, where compound interest wakes up and where the hardest part of your journey officially ends. $650,000, where your portfolio generates enough passive income to fundamentally transform your relationship with risk, security, and freedom. $1 million, where you realize you've won a financial game that most people didn't even know they were playing. The math is not complicated. The strategy is not complicated. The only hard part is the patience to stay consistent when progress feels invisible and the results feel like they're never coming. But now you know something important. The slow part is supposed to feel slow. That's not a sign it isn't working. That's just the bottom of the mountain before gravity takes over. Drop a comment below and tell me which tipping point are you currently working toward. I read every single one. And if this video genuinely shifted how you think about your money and your future, hit that like button right now.
It helps more people find this content who actually need to see it. I'll see you in the next one.